Hi, everyone. Welcome to our collaborative SELday event. My name is Tracy Heilers. I'm Executive Director of Coalition of Schools Educating Mindfully. And we're so excited to host this virtual event where we can showcase how different schools are practicing mindfulness in different ways, and where classrooms across the globe can practice together. We were hoping more classrooms would be able to make it work, but we know it's just hard to get an exact time and get your class on something live. So we are recording this and Facebook Living it. And this segment of our day will be co-led by Nicole Arndt and her advisees, Maria and Ruby, and they are in 10th grade at, and is a social studies teacher from Urban Assembly School of Collaborative Healthcare, which is a high school in District 19 in Brooklyn, New York. So thank you for being with us. Please share what you're doing in your school and lead us into practice.
Yes, hi. I teach history at this Urban Assembly School, which is for collaborative healthcare. We are in the Franklin Lane building in Brooklyn. That would be the building that you probably just saw in Spider-Man. That's our building, our claim to fame. Yeah. And all Urban Assembly schools have a program for advisees where a teacher has, anywhere from 10 to 12 advisees. And a lot of those advisees learn about different social emotional learning skills, college skills, just what it takes to live life after high school and during high school and things like that. And one of the things that we do focus on sometimes with social emotional skills is, how to relax or how to become, more grounded and how to take care of yourself. So with that, I have a couple of times done a meditation in my advisory, and two of my advisees here, Ruby and Maria, agreed to join me with you guys to do it today. Yeah. So do you guys just want to say hi?
Hi, I'm Maria. Hi, I'm Ruby.
They're fantastic and a little bit shy. Okay. So I was going to lead you guys in a body scan meditation because that's something that I've learned how to do that helps me be grounded in my body. I think that, us humans, we spend a lot of times in our mind. And then we often ignore our bodies. And part of becoming more mindful is being aware of the body that we live in. And I think that a body scan meditation is great for bringing us back into our body. So I was gonna give that a shot today with you guys on Zoom, if that's okay. Okay, well, I'll give it a shot. Hopefully it'll work out with all of us here. But I'm just gonna give directions. And if you get lost in your head, then don't worry, because we all get lost in our heads, and just bring yourself back to your body and the meditation whenever, you catch yourself. No big deal. It's only going to be, it'll probably be 5 minutes or something, pretty short. So you can hear me okay? Okay. So everybody's going to sit up straight in their chair and put your feet on the ground. I'm going to make sure I can still. Okay. Can you still hear me okay? Okay. Okay, so we're all going to close our eyes, put our hands on our lap, and sit up straight. You can still relax your body and still have it sitting up straight. Make sure your feet are planted on the ground. They're touching the earth. We're going to start at the bottom of our feet. We're going to feel our toes touch the ground, our heels. Then we're going to imagine wrapping up to the top of your foot so that you feel your whole foot. We're going to go up your ankle, both ankles. We're going to move up your shin and around the back to your calf muscle. On both legs, we're going to slowly move up to your kneecaps. Then up to the top of your thighs. Wrap around to the bottom of your thighs as they sit in the chair. Next, we're going to move to your rear as it sits in the chair. Feel your sit bones touch the chair. Move up to your lower back. And then around to your belly. We're going to pause here to just watch our belly go in and out as we breathe. Keep watching your belly. Next, we're going to come up to our rib cage. Circles our body. Protects our most precious organs. Watch it go in and out as you breathe. Go up to your chest, to your heart. Your chest goes in and out as you breathe. Don't force it, just watch it. Now we're going to go to our shoulders. Try to relax them. Spill down your arms like water falling all the way to your hands. Let your hands melt into your lap. Now we're going to go back up our arms, up to our neck. Move up the back of your head. Move to the sides of your head. Try to feel your right ear. Try to feel your left ear. Try to feel both at the same time. Now go to the top of your head. Spill over the front of your face, relaxing everything. Relax your forehead. Relax your temples. Relax your jaw. Relax the tongue in your mouth. Go up to your eyeballs. Look up inside your eyes and relax your eyes as they roll back, like they're pools of liquid. Maybe you can feel your breath on the edge of your nostril. Try to feel your whole body at once right now. We're going to get ready to open our eyes and come back to the world. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, On the count of 3, I'm gonna open my eyes. 3. It always takes me a second. I'm like, wait, am I back in this room? You know? Yeah, don't move too fast. You just like went into like practically a sleep state, like an in-between, you know, when you're waking up in the morning and you're kind of like in that halfway state. So you don't want to be like, ah! Yeah. I hope that worked for somebody. Calm them down.
Yeah, I can definitely feel how I came out of my head into my body. It
Yeah,
feel grounded.
yeah.
Too.
It's amazing how much more mindful you can be when you're in your body. Yeah, when I first started teaching, I was constantly trying to be in my body because I was so nervous. And I found that when I was more in my body that I did better, like as a teacher, because I wasn't caught in my head and my fears. So it's something I really believe in.
Yeah. And how long have Ruby and Maria, how long have you been practicing different mindfulness practices? Just this year, or did you?
Yeah. Yeah, they've just done it a couple times with me.
Okay. That's awesome. Well, thank you. Thank you for sharing that practice with us. Are there any other practices that you enjoy also, or have you just done body scans so far, Maria and Ruby? Have you done any other ones?
We have only done body scan this time. Yeah.
Well, only body scan. Yeah. Yeah, it's my favorite. So
yeah, it's a great one to start with, just because, you know, starting there, and then we can start to get in touch with our emotions and connect, because a lot of us are disassociated even with what we're feeling in our body. And so the body scan helps us start listening to it, like when your body says have a drink.
yeah. Maria, what does it help you do? Does it help you focus or relax, or what does it help you do?
It helps me focus, because like most of the time when I'm meditating, it's because like I've been overthinking a lot throughout the day. So it helps me a lot, like to relax and just take a time for myself.
Yeah. I'm sure you both have very busy schedules, so just to come back and remember to come into the moment. Has to be
They also have to navigate a really busy, crazy city that has like a whole bunch of energy all the time. Like, and it, you know, a lot of us pick up on energy, you know, and so it's a good way to kind of like go out of that for a little bit.
Well, thank you. I want to thank you so much. I know I think you're either heading to lunch or you're on lunch.
Yep.
I want to keep that day moving, but you brought calm into our day, and we'll all move forward more mindfully now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thanks for the invitation.